In this video, I'll show you how to remove fresh or set bloodstains from mattresses. To do this, you'll need 6% hydrogen peroxide and probably a little bit of household ammonia cleaner. For step 1, I'm only going to be using hydrogen peroxide and I'll just be adding a few drops at a time to the stained areas. Right away, the blood will start to foam and I'll use a spoon to scoop the foam away. Then I'll add a few more drops of hydrogen peroxide and keep repeating this step until the stains stop foaming. So set blood stains, which is the one on the right hand side, are a little bit harder to remove. You'll notice that fresh blood stains are red in color and set blood stains are more of a dark brown color. If a fresh blood stain is exposed to heat, friction, or time, it'll eventually become a set stain, so it's always best to remove blood stains as soon as you notice them. So back to what's happening on screen here. We're still on step 1 and after about 20 minutes the blood will stop foaming, but the hydrogen peroxide will still be working to break the stains down. I kept adding a couple sprays of hydrogen peroxide about every 15 minutes or so until the stains were mostly gone. Step 1 does take some patience, but it's well worth spending more time here because it will make step 2 a lot easier. And after about an hour and a half on step 1, this is the best I could do. So I'm going to move on to step 2. For step 2, we're going to be using hydrogen peroxide and household ammonia. Add a couple fresh sprays of hydrogen peroxide to the stains and follow that up with a light spray of household ammonia. Then using an iron, cover the stains for about 30 seconds. Keep repeating this step until the stains are gone. Household ammonia is probably about as cheap as a bottle of water, and you can buy it at most grocery stores. I will warn you that it does have a pretty strong odor, but don't worry because the odor doesn't last long as the ammonia will quickly evaporate. You can also use the end of a spoon to lightly agitate and break up the stain. I also want to let you know that I originally tried to make this video using 3% hydrogen peroxide, but the final results were not great, so I decided to use 6% in the demo in the final video. I generally post videos about carpet cleaning where you'll see me using 6% hydrogen peroxide for pet urine stains, coffee, wine, juice, tea, turmeric, vomit stains, and many more kinds of stains. 6% hydrogen peroxide is one of a professional carpet cleaner's biggest secrets because it's really good at breaking down organic matter and it also evaporates to leave zero residue. The kind I'm using is 6% salon grade hydrogen peroxide and I'll leave an affiliate link in the description below the video. If after the mattress dries you're left with a ring like what you see here, this next step is for you. And it's really just a repeat of step 2 with a slight twist. Lightly spray the hydrogen peroxide around the ring, follow that up with a few light sprays of household ammonia. Then use the iron just like how we did in step 2, but this time we're going to use the iron until the mattress is completely dry. This will prevent new rings from forming. I really like using hydrogen peroxide and ammonia for cleaning because they leave zero residue as they both break down and completely evaporate to the atmosphere. So once the mattress is dry, there will be no residue from any cleaning product that we added to the mattress. And finally, if you decide to give this a try, let me and everyone know how it went in the comments. If you'd like to learn more about how to remove spots and stains from carpet like a professional cleaner, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video.